Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mexican rice with canned tomato sauce using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 cup of long grain rice, 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce, and 2 cups of chicken broth. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add the rice and sauté it until it turns a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for flavor. Once your rice is golden, it's time to add the liquids and seasonings. Carefully pour in 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce and 2 cups of chicken broth. Stir in half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt to your preference. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. This ensures even cooking and absorption of flavors. Now for the magic. Cover your saucepan tightly with a lid and let the rice simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. It's important not to lift the lid during this time, as it traps the steam needed for perfect cooking. After 20 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. Finally, fluff the delicious Mexican rice gently with a fork before serving. And there you have it. Your easy, flavorful Mexican rice is ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a fantastic side dish with tacos, enchiladas, or any of your favorite Mexican meals. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice. It truly elevates the taste. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.